Namaste. In this lecture we are going to learn about some important JSP tags. The important JSP tags are comment tag, declaration tag, expression tag, scriptlet tag. So we will be covering them one by one. See, the comment tag is used to give the comments, or which we call remarks, in a program, in the JSP program rather. The comment tag starts with angular bracket, then percentile symbol, hyphen, hyphen, 2 times hyphen. So whatever comment we want to give, like this is a sample program of JSP written at Mahajan Computers, Kurukshetra, India. Whatever you want to write, as you are aware about the concept of comments or remarks. So after you are finished with giving the comments, you are supposed to close it with hyphen, hyphen again, and then percentile, and closing closing angular brackets. Okay, so again you can see the syntax. The comments, they start with opening angular brackets, then percentile symbol, and then hyphen, hyphen, and after that hyphen, hyphen, percentage symbol again, and closing angular brackets. Okay, right. Next we come to declaration tag. Declaration tag is basically used to give the declaration for variables or functions, etc. Now the declaration tag starts with angular bracket, percentile, and exclamation symbol. This is your exclamation symbol. Like here I have declared a simple variable emp underscore name, and I have assigned the value Patrick, and it happens to be of string data type, right? Then I have declared another variable with the name num, which has been assigned the value 100. Here I have declared a function which is also called a method. This int denotes that this function is going to return an int value. Addition is the name of the function, and int a comma int b, these are two formal parameters. And within it I haven't done much. The simple thing I have done is I have put the result of a plus b into c, and then I have returned it back. And see, at the time of closing the declaration tag, we are not again using exclamation symbol. We are just closing it with percentile and closing angular bracket. So again, see the syntax. The declaration tag starts with angular bracket, percentile, exclamation, and once you are finished with your declarations, you are supposed to close it by writing percentile and greater than symbol, that is your closing angular bracket. Okay. Next we come to expression tag. Expression tag is basically used to evaluate some expressions, like it starts with percentile is equal to. For example, here I have written percentile is equal to emp underscore name, and again, in order to close the expression tag, I would write percentile closing angular bracket. So what will happen is the value of the variable emp underscore name will be printed here. And similarly, I have written percentile is equal to num percentile. Value of num will be printed here at this place. So percentile is equal to angular bracket starts, percentile is equal to name of the variable, or you can call a function also, and then you will close it with your percentile greater than symbol, that is closing angular bracket. Okay, so here I am calling the function addition 100 comma 200. These are the passing arguments, and it's again starts with angular bracket, percentile is equal to, and it gets closed here, right? So next we come to scriptlet tag. Like, see, what is a scriptlet tag? In scriptlet tag, we people are supposed to write any Java code, like any JSP code rather. So here I have used a simple loop, like I have declared a variable n, then I have applied the for loop. You are familiar with for loop. Int n is equal to 100, n is less than or equal to 100, condition is true, it will come down here. Out.println, we'll be talking about this object out, and println is a method which is used to print something on the screen in JSP. So when I would write out.println and n, the value of this variable n will be printed. Then the control will go to plus n, the value of n will be incremented by 1, condition will be tested, condition is true, it will come down, again out.println will print the value of n, again it will go to plus n, condition would be tested. So what I am trying to say is all the values from 100 to 200, they will be printed on the screen. So remember, we will be using Scriptlet tag in a very big way. So Scriptlet tag starts with angular bracket percentile, and once we are finished with the Java code, we can close it with percentile greater than symbol. So always remember, Scriptlet tag is used to write the Java code.